What do I eat as a raw foodist for 16 years for lunch and dinner because I don't eat breakfast? Hi there, my name is Eduardo Corassa. I'm a nutritionist from Brazil. I have been living a raw food lifestyle for 16 years. It's how I reverse my diabetes, obesity, and a lot of issues. Yeah, I'm recording on my kitchen. Usually we are at the office and I'm wearing clothes. Now I'm just wearing shorts. I'm shirtless to show you that it's possible to reverse obesity and diabetes and to get fit in a raw food diet. Yeah, I'm not in my best shape because I just did a 39-day water fast less than 3 months ago. So I'm still rebuilding muscle, but it's getting back up pretty fast. Although I'm not trying to rush it with the process, trying to eat a lot more protein. So this is what I eat for lunch usually. As it goes, a raw food diet, you have to eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. That's like the basis of a raw food healthy diet, right? So here for lunch, I'll be eating around 2 or 3 kilos of fruits, primarily sweet fruits. So because we are almost in summer, here's jackfruits, plantains, fig bananas, sapodilla that I harvest from my tree, organic oranges, 2 kinds of different oranges, 3 kinds of tangerines, mangoes, Palmer mangoes, pineapple, coconut, and purple abil, right? So this is what I'll be eating today, but I already have eggplants here, and this is not going to be for lunch. This is going to be for dinner. I will show you how I'm going to prepare it, but eggplants are not the tastiest fruits in its own, so you have to prepare a little bit. You can just peel it and slice it and squeeze it with lemon. It gives a nice taste, and then you can dehydrate it and do a lot of other stuff with it. So this is going to be my lunch, and I will show you also my dinner. But I primarily eat around 1,500 calories for lunch, something like that. So that will be a lot of fruit. And after the fruit, maybe I eat some fats. Coconut. I don't eat avocado without my salad, but coconut, I love it. And also some nuts and seeds. Maybe some cashews or Brazil nuts, almonds, walnuts, pecans. I love them all, but just a little bit, not too much, right? But yeah, for sure. Are you new to the channel? So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified, comment, share, and give it a thumbs up. Like the video so you'll be helping us to reach more people, so more people can get to know how a raw food diet and a natural hygiene lifestyle can change our health and can change the planet also for the better. And if you want to help with a raw food lifestyle, I'm a nutritionist. I can attend patients in private sessions online. I also have 9 books published. We just got translated one of them, and it's on Amazon in English already. And we also run retreats. We have several online courses and the books, but they all will be translated to English pretty soon. I know it may look strange, but when you put bananas on the fridge, the peel gets black. Like plantains, for example, the peel got completely black. But this is actually when you open them, it looks like this. The plantain's ugly, but when it's ripe, see, when it's ripe, it's more caramel-like and still pretty sweet. And it's just a little bit oxidized because it goes in the fridge. It didn't went bad. For example, this is ladyfinger bananas, something like that. It's a really small banana and really sweet. But when it goes to the fridge, it gets even better. But the skin looks terrible, I know. Don't be scared. To the farmer's market today, I bought this jackfruit. It's really, really, really ripe. It's cracking open. And then I bought like 5 big mangoes. These are Palmer mangoes, one of my favorite varieties, and they're really, really ripe. You can tell it, right? 2 slices of watermelon, 25 oranges, 4 avocados, lettuce. And this I harvest myself in my trees. 2 different varieties of pitayas, sugar apple, avocado, 2 kinds of lemons, and this, I don't know the name, and another lettuce, and 10 papayas for like $2 or less. This is my dinner. Broccoli, like a lentil soup, but it's not lentil soup. It's like a lentil stew. Oh, the first time I tried. So, and this is like a sandwich with lettuce, tomatoes, avo, and a little bit of hummus, chickpea hummus, on top of Essene bread. It's like sprouted wheat bread, like really homemade. And this is the hummus. It's raw. This is a high protein meal for me, right? As a frugivore, I'm way more healthier, but we don't manage to get too lean and too muscle because really low protein intake. I'm pretty sure that is like the best diet ever, that we are meant to be frugivores because we're anthropoid primates, and all the literature suggests that like low protein intake increases longevity, health span, and lifespan, as we say. But, there's always a but. There's the IGF-1 trade-off. When we less protein, we go more into repair mode. When we eat more protein, we get more muscle, we get more mitogenesis. We increase in size, we bulk up. So, from time to time, I'm staying on 100% frugivore and get down, lower my weight. This is all raw. This is like homemade, no oil, no salt. You know, it's really whole food, raw food. But yeah, for sure, to get like a little bit bulked up, you need legumes, you need a higher protein intake. So that's why I'm doing like this. Here's like lentil soup, a little bit of seaweed. Sometimes from time to time I eat it. I love raw broccoli. I probably eat the whole head. Here's just a little bit. The wheat has like 14% protein. The chickpeas like a lot of protein. The lentils is even more than that. You know, so I managed to increase my weight. I was always like around 65. Now I'm 70 kilos. It's probably 150 pounds or something like that. This is what I have for dinner when I want to bulk up. If I don't want to bulk up, I just eat fruits and vegetables. I make some cucumber noodles. Just some salads, some simple stuff. But the grains and the legumes need a little bit of processing to be tasty. Just sprouted, they are not good. So I made some recipes just to make the things flow easier. So I bulk up, I look good for the ladies, I look good for social media because this is my work. I work with health. People don't understand that we can get too thin and they think you look sick because you're too thin. So did you like it? So don't forget to subscribe, hit that like, share the video with everybody that needs to hear this message. Comment below, give a lot of comment, Dr. Fruits, fruit guy, chimp diet or anything like that. But I still eat only fruits and nuts for lunch, maybe some vegetable, but no grains whatsoever. So I still a raw fooder, just like 80% frugivore and a little bit of grains. So don't forget, if you need my help as a nutritionist to make a meal plan for you, just come in contact. I will be with a social t-shirt on my office. And there's like 9 books already published in Portuguese, 1 published in English on Amazon, my fasting book, a lot of science about it. And not just that, we run retreats here in Brazil, and I have 6 courses online. The retreats can be in English, but the courses are still in Portuguese, so stay tuned. All the content will be soon in English for you to make you healthier and to make you more knowledgeable about raw foods, about living foods, about natural hygiene, about the science of health. As you can heal yourself, as I healed myself one day. Click these videos and watch it.